What's going on? It's Logan from Prosper Real Estate, and I'm here at our newest listing, 1010 Aleppo Drive in Santa Rosa, right down the street from Annadel State Park. This home is a 4-bed, 3-bath, 3,800 square feet, and will be listed at $1.35 million. So, let's go take a look. So now let me take you guys inside this beautiful chef's kitchen. Here we have a very large granite countertop in the middle here, complemented by monogram appliances. We have a 6-burner stove top with a monogram hood. Now this kitchen is perfect for entertaining with friends and family, very large size, and looks right out into the living room. And on the side of the kitchen, we have the dining room with lots of natural light and leads into the second living room on the first level. If you follow me this way, we lead into the second formal living room with vaulted ceilings and lots of natural light. And as we come upstairs, we have another bonus room on the top level, perfect for playing around with the kids, watching TV, or just a nice little play area. Now, let me take you guys into the master ensuite. This is such a cool room. We got a fireplace in the bedroom, full walk-in closet, and if you wrap around here, we have an amazing bathroom, walk-in shower, 2 vanities on both sides, bathtub in the back. This is just an amazing bathroom. I hope you guys enjoyed the tour today of 1010 Aleppo Drive. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to any of us at the Prosper Real Estate team. We'd be happy to help, and I'll catch you guys around for the next one.